In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo Charts. Whether you're on desktop or the mobile app, this walkthrough focuses on what traders actually do on the chart, not just where the buttons are. Start by opening a chart. In the search bar, type any stock or ETF like AAPL or SPY and click it. The chart opens automatically, and this is your main decision tool, the place where you'll spend most of your time planning entries, exits, and risk. Next, change your time frame, which is the most important skill. Use the time frame menu on the chart to switch views. 1-minute or 5-minute charts are best for day trading when you need more detail and faster signals. Switch to the daily chart for swing trading to understand multi-day trends. Move to the weekly chart when you want the big picture for long-term context. A pro tip here, always check multiple time frames before placing a trade. A setup that looks great on a 1-minute chart can look very different on the daily. Make sure you're using candlestick charts. Find the chart type icon and switch to candlestick, also called K-line. Candles make price action easier to read. A green candle means price closed higher than it opened. A red candle means it closed lower, and the thin wicks show the extremes of the move. Longer bodies and wicks often signal stronger momentum or volatility. Now add indicators, which is where Moomoo shines. Click indicators or the more option on the chart and pick from the library. For beginners, focus on a few. Moving averages help you see direction at a glance. When price consistently holds above an MA, the trend is up. VW app is essential for day traders because it shows the average price paid throughout the session. Price above VW app suggests a bullish bias. Below it leans bearish. Volume confirms strength. Big moves paired with high volume carry more weight. RSI helps you spot stretched conditions, with readings above 70 often overbought and below 30 often oversold. MACD gauges momentum shifts, and crossovers can hint at potential entries or exits. Some indicators sit on the main chart like moving averages, while others, like RSI and MACD, appear in separate panels below. Customize your chart to fit your style. Click the settings icon on each indicator to adjust inputs like MA9, 20, or 50, and change colors for clarity. On desktop, you can even build custom indicators. Finally, analyze in a simple order. Start with trend. Is price generally moving up or down? Mark key levels, the support floors and resistance ceilings. Check volume to judge the strength behind moves. Then use your indicators to confirm your idea, rather than relying on them alone. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and let the chart do the talking.